In this video, I'll show you what to do when Apple is taking money from your account. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So, let's begin. Now, if you are wondering why charges or money has been taken into your account without you knowing the reasons, here are some methods for us to do so. One is to see your purchase history. You gotta go to reportaproblem.apple.com, right? Of course, you need to sign in with your Apple ID, and a list of purchases will appear. To see family members' purchases, select the Apple ID button and choose a family member. Now, to see the full receipt, including tax, tap or click the date. Multiple purchases, including subscriptions, may be grouped into one charge. And if the charge is for a subscription that you no longer want, you can cancel the subscription by clicking this link right here. Now, you can find out where else you can view your purchase history. If in case you still can't identify the charge, can't find a matching charge at a reportaproblem.apple.com, you can find out if you use another account to make a purchase. Now, simply search your email for the words receipt from Apple or invoice from Apple and look for a receipt that matches the amount that you can see on your billing statement. On the receipt, see what was purchased and which Apple ID was used, right? Something like this one. You're gonna do a little bit of investigation right here. Search and skim through your inbox, right? Now, check if the Apple ID in the email is different to what you used to sign in into reportaproblem.apple.com. If it's different, use this Apple ID to sign in to reportaproblem.apple and review your purchase history. That way, you can make a little bit of audit and compare. Now, if you're still having problems, and not sure why you have been charged with these billing, all I'm gonna do is contact Apple support, alright? And they'll be more than glad to assist you on what to do, why charges have been made from your account, alright? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you all in the next video.